Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem water heater blinking light red, error code meaning and full fix guide. So common Rheem water heater red light error code. Now fewer smart electronic Rheem model. First flash, gas burner failed to light. Second flash, flame went out while running. 6 flashes, dirty or faulty flame sensor. 7 flashes, broken gas valve. 9 flashes, blocked vent or broken chamber sensor. For standard or traditional Rheem model, first flash means system is working perfectly. 2 flashes means low voltage or loose wire. 3 flashes, pilot light went out. 4 flashes, tank is dangerously overheating. 5 flashes, temperature sensor is broken. 6 flashes, chemical or gas fumes detected nearby. 7 flashes, broken gas valve. Fixes are: clean the sensor for 1, 2 or 6 flashes. Turn the gas knob to off, then remove the bottom outlet metal door. Then find the small metal rod inside, scrub it gently with sandpaper, then put the door back and turn gas on. Second fix is: relight the pilot. Turn the gas knob to off, then wait 5 minutes for safety, then turn the knob to pilot, then hold the knob down and click the igniter button, then hold the knob for 30 seconds, then release. Third fix is: clearing a fume lockout. Move all gasoline cans, paint cleaners and aerosols away from the water heater. Open nearby windows or doors to let fresh air clear out the fumes. Then turn the gas knob to off for 30 seconds. Relight the pilot light and reset the system. Fourth fix is: fixing an overheated tank. Turn the gas valve knob to off, then let the water heater sit unused for 1 hour so the water cool down. Turn the front temperature dial down to 120 Fahrenheit to prevent future heating. Then relight the pilot light. Fifth one is replacing the valve or chamber sensor for 7 or 9 flashes. Turn the gas valve knob to off, then shut off the main gas supply pipe connected to the unit. Then take a photo of the control box sticker and your water heater model number. Then purchase a replacement part or call a licensed plumber to replace the faulty hardware. Thanks for watching.